Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today, doing an inspection up on a roof. And the complaint is there's a noise in the ceiling. But sometimes we find problems that have nothing to do with animals. We like to report them back to the customer because it's important. This is a normal soil stack. A little short, but that's what they look like. That's where the gases from your plumbing escape. And that's normal. This is abnormal. The pipe is missing. I don't know where the pipe is. I suspect an animal fell down inside. There's nothing inside to reach over and grab to climb up. So let me demonstrate. There's the hole. There's my hand going in the hole. And I can reach around in there and I feel nothing. So I don't know what happened to the plumbing. It's just gone. But I suspect that the noise that the people are hearing is from an animal that fell down inside this hole and probably can't get out. Another thing I spot while up here is this. This is the furnace flue. There's supposed to be a dome on the top. The dome is missing. So we'll report that back to the customer and see if they want to do anything about it. So far I haven't found any animal issues, but I found a flue pipe issue and I found a plumbing issue. So not only do we find your critter problems, but oftentimes we'll find other problems. Thank you.